Alright, your boy just woke up. That's why I show y'all the fit. You see it. Champion shorts. We got the whole outfit, baby. Like an actual jersey outfit. And I'm wearing the Charlotte Hornets jacket over it because Kobe got drafted by Charlotte and then got traded. And then I got the sneakers. I put on the bootleg off-white shoelaces on the Air Forces. Keeping it super simple because my fit's kind of loud. So let's get this outfit together and let's head out. Okay. Let's go, baby. Ooh, showing. Y'all. Turn off the radio. We out here. We pulling into the Anaheim Convention Center. Sadly, we do still have to pay for parking even though we're vendors, but it's about to be crazy. I'm so excited and so nervous at the same time. About to take some pre-workout to get hype, you feel me? Let's get in there, baby. Yo, I'm literally about to drink some, if I can get it open, hold up. What the okay. About to drink some pre-workout just to get the juices flowing. I feel it already, baby. It's been super hectic right now trying to get everything inside, but I pretty much got everything. Now I got my pens. It's time to go hang and price the items. I'd take you guys along right now, but I'm moving so quick. I gotta get all this done by 11, so I'll see y'all when we're like set up and like inside. I'll show y'all the booth and everything, so let's get that work. Yo, you already know we the coziest channel on YouTube. Look at these, bro. What size are these?
Oh, they say on the bottom. You're size 10.
What's the size 10? Damn, they might fit. Is that the biggest you got for those?
In that one, yeah.
Damn.
But I mean, we can do custom orders too.
Yeah. Okay.
What size are these?
Like an 11.
Okay.
The pink Gucci's.
They probably fit in 11. I was gonna try.
They might actually fit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Fire. You want a shout out?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
What's up, Detroit Custom Slides? Here at LA SneakerCon. Give us a check on Instagram.
There you go, man. They got that fire. I might have this come and scoop that later. Let's see. Yo, what's good, guys? So we're pretty much set up now. We got cars in here, bro. Like actually on, but we're pretty much set up. We got the booth right here. Let me show you guys. We use the chairs. Jesus. But yeah, we use the chairs to improvise. Then I got the rack right here. Look at that, the Chanel. Got my little sign that I just made myself. Not too creative, but gets the job done. And you see the haircuts right here. All set up. Got the pre-workout on deck. And I got some stock right here just in case I need to refill the rack. Let's go. It's like 10 o'clock right now, and we have about like 2 hours till it actually opens. We have till 12. So it's already pretty packed. I can't imagine what it's gonna be like at 12 o'clock. It's gonna be super full, but the stuff they got in here is crazy. It's dope that we got a homie right here who actually has hella vintage clothing just on deck. He's got 2 racks and a big rack right there. They got that fire. Martin Luther King. What's good? What's good? Okay, the change up. Now I have this big old table. I used it to put a couple more items. I was like, might as well use the space because there's still a walkthrough right here and people can look at the items on this side because this spot, I guess no one took. But yeah, we cutting hair back there, so let's go. Changed it up once again, keeping it simple now because I don't want it to fall on the floor, so I had to put it in the box to give it a little insurance. Chair. Ooh, sunnies. Alright, but yeah, we're ready to go. Had to move the Gucci in the back so I can get Chanel attention in front and Gucci just for the people walking behind me. Yo, I'm hyped, man. Super juiced for this. I'm ready, baby. Crazy. The food court real quick. I got like 20 more minutes before SneakerCon actually opens up. Getting hyped, but I need some food in my body to have energy for the day, to sell and to cut hair. So let's see what we're working with. Your boy was hungry and this was the only chicken option they had. So I'm going in on this. And then it's time. I can't imagine how wild it's gonna get in here. It's already pretty packed and it hasn't even opened yet. 1 more hour and we out here. As y'all can see, the people are starting to come in now. About to get extra full, but look at my food though. Man. The homie looking at some fire.
Bought these new in 85.
In 85?
These are 85s.
Yeah. You bought them new in 85?
Yeah.
Dang. The drip though with the tee. Does it have a back print on the tee or no?
What's that?
Is there a back print on the t-shirt?
I got it. No.
Okay. Damn, those are hard. Yo, look at this piece. That's all the logos right there. And it's all embroidered too.
What's up, man? Shout out to these my cousins.
Hey, it's good.
Watch all the videos, bro.
Appreciate you.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, of course, bro. The first guy getting a haircut today.
What's up, man? I'm Don Simple on Instagram.
The Chinatown on.
Yeah, got my Chinatown market. About to take it off. That's
Let's
not
do
one. Feel me?
I got you. Getting down. The homie, the first cut of the day so far. About to give him a super fresh one. The homie is buying the Nike piece. Appreciate you. And then right here, picking up all 3. Appreciate you. So, the homie picked up the 2 hats. Polo and the Green Bay Packers. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Picking up the Black Mamba tee. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. All right, the homie's picking up the Levi's jacket. Giving out steals out here. Got you. You need change? Fresh skin taper with the fade. Appreciate you, G. 2 homegirls picking up the Polo Sport. 25 bucks. Giving out steals. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, the homie's picking up the Prestos. Even steals out here. Just gave this to him for 25. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. 2 homies got a cut. Appreciate it. Check the fire. Yeah. All right, y'all. The homie just picked up the Polo. Looking like a North Face. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. Homie's picking up the Grant Hill USA. Appreciate you.
Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir. Sad to see this one go, but picking it up. Here you go. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. Another one. Low drop. Butter. Yo, it started off slow and then all of a sudden I banged out like, I think 7 haircuts and made hella sales all at the same time. The homie's kicking it with me in the booth. Who'd you get a picture with, bro?
Let me show you.
Let me see that, dog.
Show you real quick.
I think you got a picture with Shaq. Okay, Sharif O'Neal, tall as hell. What's good, dog?
Shout out Print 661. Much love for 661.
Appreciate you.
Have a good one, man. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Yo, the homie pulled up with the condom and the beanie.
It's always strapped, bro. Always strapped.
Just picking up the Polo. A little spell out. 25, another steal. Bands, bands, bands. Dude, the homie just hooked me and my boy up. These are disposable one-time iPhone chargers. What? I'm keeping this for sure. Condom? Yo. It's pretty much like dying down now. It's done at 7. I think it's like, what, like 6? 6:30. Yeah, we're gonna go check out a couple booths. See what they got. Dude, look at this dude's collection. He has all the full flight Jordan jackets, and he has the Nike Force one too, and the black one. have the cotton one of that one.
Oh, really?
Like the gray and like with the netting though.
Oh, right on. Okay.
Gray one.
Yeah, that's my thing, dude. 85, 90s.
So sick. The homie's picking up the DKNY. Such a fire piece. Here you go, bro. You need change?
Oh, yeah.
Change, here you go. There you go.
Here's
60. Alright, I got change. You already know what time it is. We're taking the sneakers off. We the coziest channel, so we always gotta be cozy. Time to put the slides back on. Ugh. One more, baby. Ugh. Two. Alright, we good. Yo, what's good, guys? So I had to cut this a little short because I had to keep it under 15 minutes. But day 2 is up. It's fire. 2 videos in one day? Let's go!